Then chicken. Tapos ilagay natin tong gulay dito. Then oyster sauce. Patis. Tapos parsley saka Italian parsley saka yung parsley na yung kulot. Then celery. Tapos yung pinagpakuluan ng beef, ng vegetable. Tapos pampalapot. Yan, sauce. There you have it. Palabok. Ito, chicharon. Alright.